All right, so we're going to go ahead and install the Git Plus package in Atom. Exciting stuff. We're going to go to File, Settings, and let's close all the other tabs so they're not a distraction. And inside Settings, we're going to go ahead and just take a peek at Packages. That shows us what's installed. And now we're going to click Install. We're going to type up here in the search, we're going to look for Git Plus. Great package that'll help us perform Git functionality from within the Atom text editor. Click Packages to search, and there it is. The one that we want is right there. Git-Plus. The version might be different depending when you're watching this video. But the editor is, I can't even say that word, so there you see it. Click Install. Pause while you're installing. Now we're back. We're installed. We could explore the settings, things like that, but for now, we'll just go ahead. We'll look in Packages, make sure that it's registered as install. It is. We can go up to our Packages menu. It'll be on the bottom till we restart Atom, and we can see all the functionality that it gives us in Git now. We can actually do merges, we can do adds, we can do pushes, merges, which is great. Really great tool. Really awesome. So it keeps us in our editor. We'll see you in the next video.